We are pleased to show you the 2025 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body-colored door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.